The following is a volcano watch announcement from the United States Geological Survey. Clingman's Dome in Great Smoky Mountains National Park is now classed as a possibly active volcano due to continuous and harmonic tremors ranging from 1.5 to 2.2 on the Richter scale. All citizens within 30 miles of Clingman's Dome should not approach the mountain, and the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is closed until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. At 5:28 a.m., a magnitude 5.2 earthquake struck Clingman's Dome in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The earthquake resulted in moderate damage throughout the park. Furthermore, the earthquake created a landslide that traveled down the slope to the Forney Creek, creating a tsunami with a height of about 65 feet. At this time, Great Smoky Mountains National Park is not to be entered except for USGS personnel. For the following counties, Graham and Swain. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a lakeshore flood warning, which is in effect until further notice. At 5:37 a.m., a large wave resulting from a landslide affecting Forney Creek will enter Fontana Lake shortly before 6 a.m. Those near Fontana Lake should move to higher ground immediately. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Flood height is expected between 3 and 10 feet depending on location and time. Repeating, a lakeshore flood warning has been issued for the following counties, Graham and Swain.